You had something to say on camera. You know what I'm saying? You had something to say on camera. Okay. Now, what is it that you want to say? We understand. You said you know Remy Ma.
Yes, I do. I'm straight from the Bronx. I'm not a Harlem nigga. I fucks with Harlem, but I'm a BX chick. You feel me? And all that. Castle Hill, shout out and all that. But true stills, you know what I mean? Real talk. I know Remy Ma and all that.
Okay, you said you know her, and basically, what is it that you want to let the viewers know about what you know about Remy Ma and what went down?
I just want to let y'all know out there that, you feel me? Remy, first off, I love you, baby. You feel me? I'm so glad of your success and all that. You made it, baby. You know that. You feel me? You super fly. But, I just have something to say. I just wanted to let this out, let it off my chest, let it off my back.
Also, I want to find out about this situation with you have many different alter egos, right?
Oh, yes.
Roman is one, and then you have...
Roman is one, Barbie's one. She's like the little innocent girl. I have Martha, who's Roman's mother. She's like a crazy lady from London. And actually, she's gonna make her debut in the video that I just shot with Drake. It's for a song called "Moment for Life." So we just shot that video, and Martha, like you'll actually see Martha in the video. It's gonna be kind of weird.
Great! I can't wait to see her.
Thank you.
All right, and it's good that he's with his mom. That Roman has his mom with him.
That's the question. Where the hell did you come from?
What?
I mean, you've been on a lot of people's music, and you are blowing up.
I'm not blowing anything, but I mean, you know, I don't know. I was just like underground rapper from Southside Jamaica, Queens, and then and then I was doing DVDs, and Lil Wayne saw me, and he reeled me in, and you know, now I'm Young Money.
Congratulations. Young Money. King Friday, huge debut. Number 2.
Yeah.
Kanye West, number 1. Number 2.
Yeah.
Very close. Very close.
That rapper Kanye. That unknown rapper Kanye.
Have you had a minute to take it in, Nicki?
Pause. I mean, I don't know. It's like I've been trying to just absorb it, but it's hard to pause. But you know what I mean? It's like, I mean, it's difficult because my life is just on the go. So you rarely have a moment to just sit back and reflect and say, my dreams are kind of coming true right now.
When was the last time you did that? Pause.
But yeah, you know what? To be honest, yesterday I had a day off. Yesterday was my first day off in a very long time, and I stayed in bed all day, and it was so fun.
That is fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. All right. Now, in your music, you have alter egos.
Yeah.
Who's all in there?
Well, we have Nicki, we have Roman, we have.
Explain Roman for the people that don't know Roman.
Roman is he's a gay boy. He lives. Oh, okay.
I think that's Roman right there.
Right. I think I'm Roman there. Hey, no, wait. Well, he's my alter ego. He says what I can't say. He's mean. He's angry and he's vicious.
Yeah, cool.
And then I have Martha. Martha is Roman's mother. Martha is like, Roman, stop it. You've gone mad, I tell you, mad. And you know, your producers did speak to me, and I invented a new character for George.
And she is? Nicki, who is that?
Her name is Rosa.
Rosa!
But you have to say it like, you have to really roll it long. Pause. You have to say... crazy boy who lives in me. And he says the things that I don't want to say. He was born, just a few months ago. I think he was born out of rage. He was conceived in rage. So he bashes everyone. He threatens to beat people, and he's violent.
That must be nice to have, like, an ignorant loudmouth who you can just sort of blame every...
He wants to be blamed. I don't want to blame him. I ask him to leave, but he can't. He's here for a reason. People have brought him out. People can't.